Hello everyone! Magandang araw and mayong adlaw. This is Kartunista Naytrik. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang action lines. Kung what are action lines, why are they important, and the overall result when you use them, and also how to draw action lines. So let's go! So first, what are action lines? This is the lines that use in drawing to show movement, motion, force, and energy in a still image. In simple terms, action lines is a visual motion indicator. Kahit hindi gumagalaw ang drawing, the viewer can feel speed, impact, direction, and emotion. Halimbawa, kung may tumatakbong karakter, may lines sa likod niya. Kapag may suntok, may curve lines, showing the motion of the punch. Kapag may impact, may burst lines. These lines help the audience understand what is happening instantly without needing too many words. So gets ano ang action lines? So why are action lines are important? Now, why are they important? So first reason ay they add life to your drawing. Kung walang action lines, your artwork can look stiff or frozen. Second, they improve storytelling, especially sa comics at editorial cartooning. So action lines help explain the action quickly. Third, they guide the viewer's eyes. Action lines naturally lead the audience to the main focus of the illustration. Fourth, they enhance emotion and drama. For example, sa shaking lines, fear or tension. Strong lines are strong impact or power of anger. Speed lines, urgency or fast action. So instead na boring static image, nagiging dynamic at engaging ang artwork mo. So overall, result of using action lines. So what happens when you properly use the action lines? The overall result is more dynamic composition, stronger visual storytelling, more dynamic scenes, better audience engagement. Sa comics, fight scenes are become intense. Sa editorial cartoon, the message becomes more powerful and easier to understand. Example, imagine a journalist character holding a pen sword. Without action lines, it looks like a pose. With action lines, it looks like he is actively attacking corruption or injustice. That is power of action lines. They turn a still image into a moment of action. Now, the important part, how to draw action lines. So here's the step. So first, step 1, identify the movement. Ask yourself, saan papunta ang motion? Forward, upward, or downward? Step 2, follow the direction of motion. If the character is punching forward, draw lines behind the arms, following the motion path. Step 3, vary line thickness. Mas makapal, stronger first. Mas manipis, lighter force or lighter movement. So step 4, use the right type of action lines. So may 4 types of action lines. So first action lines is motion lines, show movement or direction. Second is speed lines, show fast motion. Third action line is impact lines, show collision or force. The last action line is vibration line, show shaking or tension. And note, tip, do not overuse action lines. Too many action lines can make your drawing messy instead of dynamic. So balance is the key. Action lines are simple lines that show motion, energy, and impact in still drawing. They are important because they bring life, clarity, and drama to your artwork. So, if you want your editorial cartoons to look more powerful and dynamic, start mastering action lines. And remember, a drawing without action lines can look static or boring. But with the right action lines, it tells a story. So bago tayo magtapos, ay nais ko muna magpasalamat sa inyo para sa solid support kasi na-hit na natin ang 10k subscribers. Ika nga, malayo na pero malayo pa. So if you want more tutorials about editorial cartooning, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So again, magandang araw and mayong adlaw. This is Kartunista Naytrik. Peace out.